Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. Wish you all a very happy new year. Today I'm sharing two very simple and beautiful Valentine's DIY for the Valentine's Day challenge hosted by Heidi Sonwol. You can definitely check out her channel I mentioned in the description box along with the playlist which has all the creative videos from the other creators. Also, please subscribe to my channel for more amazing DIY and decor ideas coming on my channel in 2021. There's a whole lot of new stuff coming over on my channel very soon, so don't forget to tap on the bell icon so you don't miss any video. For the first DIY, I'm creating a beautiful potpourri wreath. For this, I took an embroidery hoop and covered it with green tape. This green tape is used to make the stems of flowers. I wrapped the green tape all around the hoop to cover it completely. Once the entire hoop is covered with the green tape, I took a piece of pink ribbon and glued it to the center of the hoop like so. I just ensured that the ribbon is tight enough when it is glued. Then I took some wooden blocks in the color peach and blush pink. You can take any color blocks or you can paint them in whatever color you choose. And then I glued the blocks to the center ribbon. To secure the blocks, I also glued a popsicle stick at the back of the blocks. Then I took some rose scented potpourri and sorted them out according to their size. As in they had various kind of sizes like the smaller ones and the larger pieces. So I decided to sort them out first so that I can glue them according to their size, however they would fit into the hoop. At first, I tried placing the potpourri on top of the hoop so that I can figure out how it would look and how many do I need to put to basically get a rough picture. And then I started gluing the small flowers along with the larger pieces. I went back and forth with the potpourri so that the flowers look quite evenly placed and nicely assembled on the hoop, and they look quite proportionate. Once the potpourri is proportionately arranged on the hoop and it looks absolutely full, then I glued some rhinestone stickers to the blocks that spell the word love, and this is how the entire DIY comes out. This DIY turned out so rustic and chic, and the best part of it is that it smells amazing. You can try this out with some leftover potpourri and spray them with the fragrance of your choice, and it is good to go. For the next DIY, I created a table centerpiece using 3 pillar candles. This DIY is again very simple to make and it looks so beautiful. And for this, I took a pillar candle and wrapped some jute twine on top of it like so. Once the twine is wrapped all around the candle, then I used hot glue to the twine and let it sit for a second or two so that it cools off in a second or two, and then I glued it to the candle so that the hot glue does not melt the candle. Then I cut some felt hearts in red color in two different sizes and glued them to the twine. I glued one large felt heart at the center and then two small hearts on this either sides of the larger heart, and this is a very simple design yet very beautiful. I think it looks very cute and amazing. Similarly, I completed the other two candles in the same manner. First, I wrapped the candle with some twine and then glued the heart pieces onto it, and the DIY is complete. And this is how my three candles look. They look super cute, and altogether it came out very nicely into a centerpiece. You can check it out. I have styled this entire table setup with a very minimalistic kind of decor. Only the three pillar candles, some potpourri, some kind of like glam and glitter decor, that's it, and just a table runner at the bottom. And this looks so chic, so pretty. So this is all for today's video. This is how both my DIYs for Valentine's came out, and let me know in the comments below how you like both of them, which one you liked more. They were both easy to make. I think anyone can make these. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and share this video. And thanks for watching. Bye for now.